All right, so here we are in Florida with a vehicle being stopped because of soft-cytology. Fictitious plate. Turns out to be a woman driver. Next to her sits a daughter, which we are told is a model. I don't know why it's important, but the mom made sure we know she's a model. And the mom then decided to escalate this whole thing and not comply to the cops. They rip her out of the vehicle. It's Florida. Take her to jail, and yeah, it's quite a cool video. Let's watch it.
Deputy Morgan, the Volusia County Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm stopping is you don't really have a tag on your vehicle in our state. You got to have some kind of characters or registration. Do you have any information for the vehicle?
State national?
Okay.
Yeah, so my ID.
Okay. Do you have any other form of ID other than passport?
It's my traveling information. I was just traveling today.
Okay. So you don't have a driver's license in any state?
I'm not required to carry one.
I'm sorry?
I'm not required to carry one because
You actually are. Nation 21 Central.
The problem with softsets is we don't really know they are softsets until they start talking, right? Other than the fact that they don't have license, insurance, that kind of stuff. They're like normal people. Only the problem is they've got this weird belief system. And this lady is no different to the rest of them. A little bit, I don't know. Let's just go ahead and watch the video.
Go ahead and start me a second unit. This is going to be a sovereign citizen. So you've never had an ID, identification card, driver's license in any 50 of the states?
when I was younger, before I became a state national. So
Okay. But before that, did you ever have an ID card anywhere?
I probably did, yes. Yeah.
You probably did where?
In South Carolina.
In South Carolina. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your current registration address?
That is.
Yeah, that's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem. Bear it in mind.
I don't know.
Fairchild Gardens Avenue.
Mm-hmm. And that's unit 3060.
You said Palm Beach Gardens.
Palm Beach Gardens.
And what is the zip code there?
Forgot.
That's all right.
Yeah, I would suggest that you just give a straight, truthful answer. That way you don't have to try to remember what you said. Now, she told the cop that she lives in a P.O. box. That's the address you gave the cops, right? P.O. box. You don't live in a P.O. box. You live at an address, home, apartment, whatever. And this is Florida. They don't take kindly to that kind of nonsense. You'll see.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork for this vehicle saying that it's been registered with the state of Minnesota or Florida, anywhere? Okay. All righty. Call 52. Yeah, well, I'm sorry. Say that again. I'm half deaf.
It's my certified name.
Okay. No, I'm looking for information on the vehicle.
I'm not required to have registration, sir, so I don't know what you mean.
Do you have any insurance for the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Well, give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. No, that's what threw me off. I'm like,
when you call out, I'm like coming up on you. Private. What's she saying?
she gave me a passport, but she's a state national. She's not required to carry an ID card.
I've never seen one of those.
I have not.
Like passive aggressive?
No, not at all. I'm like, do you have any information? She's like, well, I'm not required to carry an ID card. Here's my passport. So you've never had a driver's license? Well, no, I'm traveling. I'm not required to. Okay. Well, what about, like, registration information? She's like, I don't have any. Like, what about insurance? Never had it. She gave me her information. Gave me an address. I was hoping that was her. I saw full extradition and was like, hell yeah. That's funny though. She's not, like I said, she's not a good sovereign citizen because she has an American passport. She just wrote in here, state national.
This is going to turn into a very amusing video. Let's keep on watching.
Do not detain, do not interrogate, conceal carry in all 50 states.
I've never seen
Pretty good.
this.
But she's not good at it. She gave me an American passport and she's got a valid South Carolina DL.
Okay.
The vehicle is uninsured, and I'm just going to ROR her for the uninsured or the unregistered motor vehicle and tow her shit.
Is it the vehicle's not registered? You said it's uninsured or unregistered?
It's both, uninsured and unregistered.
Okay.
She's got a plate, if you can call it a plate, it's a piece of paper that says private business.
Yeah, I don't.
The VIN comes back to the Nissan Murano, but it's not registered in all 50 states.
Okay.
My issue is, can I ROR her? The address she gave me is the post office box she has in Palm Beach.
Yeah, that's a problem, right?
Because if she made it sound like an apartment. So I'm like, oh, okay. And then I go back and I pull it up on my map and I'm like, let me see if she... And it's the post office. It's her P.O. box.
So we don't have a verifiable address?
Yeah, you do. A post office. That's verifiable.
Yeah, the only verified address she's given me is the post office.
How about this? What she got in her... How about we just take her ass to jail?
I'm good with it. I just was like, I mean, let me ask.
That's Florida for you. I suppose that's the supervisor or somebody, sergeant he's speaking to. Just take it to jail. I mean, why waste time? Take it to jail. That's a good enough answer to me.
Oh, no, you can take anybody to jail.
Oh, no, I know I can take her. I just didn't really want to.
I know. In the totality of the circumstances, I think there's a strong likelihood she would not appear in court.
Oh, I 100% agree, but she would abscond.
Which I would just take her ass to jail,
Yeah.
I would physically take her.
I'm sure I would have to here in a second because I'm going to ask her to sign the citation and she would say no.
Well, yeah, hey, then you get another,
Well, yeah, that's...
I was going to say if you never ask, you never get another charge, but,
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's actually against the statute to have a P.O. box as your address. I think that's only on your registration.
I don't know if it's like the worst sovereign citizen I met. Like I said, she handed me a passport, an American passport. She just put a stamp in there. It says, American state national, do not detain, do not interrogate, and then she signed her name with all the bullshit all around it and stuff. But then she gave me, like I said, she gave me an address. I mean, I don't have a photo ID from South Carolina, but all the information matches and it's a valid DL. So she's not very good at the game.
Yeah, I'm just trying to, let's see. I think it's under traffic.
See, I should have just gone with my gut. I needed a senior motorman to guide me on my way. I shouldn't have called him.
Don't be so hard on yourself. You've done the right thing. You had questions and the guy answered you. I assume he's senior to you and gave you good advice. These types of videos, it's always good to get the advice you need to arrest them. We love that. That's why we do these videos. So yeah, you got good advice. I think it was the right thing to do.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. No. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not referring
You're going to step out of the vehicle.
Then I have to call. I have to
No,
call
you don't have to call anybody.
I'm not.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle
I'm not required to
now.
step out of the vehicle.
You are.
I'm
You are
not.
under arrest.
Why am I
Get
under
out of the
arrest?
vehicle.
Why am I
Step
under arrest?
out of the vehicle.
Why do you have your hands on me?
Because you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything
Get out
wrong.
of the vehicle.
I
Let's
didn't do
go.
anything wrong.
Let's go.
Sir, I didn't do
Let's
anything.
go.
Ouch.
Oh my.
Jeez, that escalated quite quickly. I would have thought he would have spoken to her a little bit more, you know. He didn't. It just helped her out gently. Yeah.
Ouch!
You want to f around? You find out.
I didn't do anything wrong. Okay.
Bring hands behind your back. Stop.
Tensing up.
I didn't do anything
Stop
wrong.
tensing up.
I don't understand what's happening.
You're going to jail is what's happening.
Why? Why?
Because you have an unregistered motor vehicle and you do not have a valid address.
Yeah. Can't live in a PO box. I tried it once. It's just not big enough. Not big enough.
Sir, it's not
No,
this address.
it is not. It is a P.O. box.
I know.
Unless you reside in a post office box, you do not have a valid address.
Listen,
1 Ocean, 21 Central, adult female, 1015. Unregistered motor vehicle. Let's go.
Don't make it harder.
Do you have anything in your pockets that's going to poke me stick? Oh, you don't really have pockets. Do you have anything concealed on your person? Because if you do, when we get to the jail, it is a felony.
Of course I don't.
Drugs, guns, bombs, rocket grenades, anything you may have forgotten.
Anything that goes in the jail.
Address? Might have an address in your pocket. I don't know.
This is your last chance to come clean about it. Good with me. Go ahead and have a seat. About how I thought that was going to go. All right, ma'am, do you have somebody who can come pick you up? This vehicle is being towed. Okay, well then start calling an Uber.
I think that's good advice.
Because like I said, this vehicle is being towed, and I'm seizing it. Do what?
Can I come over to the station?
No, she's going to jail. She's not going to the station. So is there anything in the vehicle you want to take with you?
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Could you give me a few minutes?
Oh,
I'm just
what
getting
you
back.
need, and go. The keys will have to stay. Or at least the vehicle, the key fob. Because the tow truck's going to need that. Yeah, I did. Doesn't look like there's much in here.
Please, I'm begging you.
For the record, my body cam did die. It is now charging.
I'm just traveling. I don't do commercial. I'm not commerce.
Yeah, you're traveling to jail right now. That's how you're traveling. How are you traveling? In the back seat, in cuffs. Cop in front, you'll be driving because he's in control of the vehicle. But you're traveling. Simple concept.
Okay. And I'm not interested in you doing commerce, but you're operating a vehicle on our roadways.
It's an automobile, and I'm traveling.
Okay. Well, you're traveling on our roadways, which requires a
jail.
driver's license.
Traveling to jail.
Which is weird because you have a valid South Carolina driver's license.
I know you don't understand that it's state national stuff, and I know it probably rubs you the wrong way.
It doesn't rub me the wrong way. I don't subscribe to it, so I don't really care to hear
I
it.
understand, but that's why I feel like you're mad at me because you're mad at the state nationals.
Well, I'm not mad at state nationals.
But I don't understand why you're arresting me. I don't understand why you won't just please give me a chance. You have to understand it's stressful to get pulled over. I'm completely confused of why I got pulled over. Could you please check this address?
No. We have moved beyond that.
So how am I supposed to get anywhere out of jail if I don't have anything? I don't have my card, I don't have my wallet, I don't have my phone.
Well, your daughter has your wallet. And there are phones in the jail you will be allowed to use.
I don't understand the system. I don't understand.
Oh, I saw that. I don't recognize that.
All right, so let's stop that video right there because they're just now traveling to jail. Just another good old Florida soft reality check. These people they are entertaining. To say the least, they are entertaining. And that's why I love making these videos. And thank you for watching it with me. I appreciate that. Anyway, thank you so much for being here with us. And please make sure you like, subscribe, say hi in the comments. It does help us a lot. Great. We'll see you in the next one.